Hi, my name's Tyler. I'm going to show you guys how to do a mod on a Tecc 510 electronic cigarette. So here's your standard electronic cigarette 510 model. What I didn't like about it is I don't like this long filter portion. I mean, it's almost half as long as the cigarette. It places the button almost, 3/5 up the cigarette. Not a very comfortable position if you're used to smoking it like a regular cigarette. If I remove this cartridge here, you can see this, and this is kind of the idea I wanted to go for, something similar to this. So what you're going to want to do, preferably if you got a junk battery, something that's worn itself out, so you're going to want to take your battery and take it apart. That's exactly what I've done here. You can see here's the LED, here's the button, it's the little rubber piece there. This was on the end, and I've taken the casing off and discarded it. The piece I'm going after is this piece right here, this little brass or copper, probably brass, I don't know. But anyways, this is the threaded portion that connects to the atomizer. What I've done is I've drilled a hole through it with about a 1/8 inch drill bit. And this here is what came out of the center there. It's basically just a soldering contact point and a little piece of rubber to isolate the circuit. Now I'm going to take, here's just a standard atomizer there, and I'm going to do a little teabag mod on this thing. And you guys may have seen the teabag mod before, stuffing the old cartridges with a teabag, but I think this is a superior way. Basically, you get a tea bag. You can see I used, what is this, organic tea, something crap here. But anyways, I dumped the tea out, cut it out, blah 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 blah. What you're going to want is you're going to want about a 1/4 inch strip. That is about 4 to 5 inches long. That's what I'm doing off screen here. I should have had this done already, but who cares? You guys got time, right? I know I do. I did not do that very cleanly, but you can see I have a little strip here. What I'm going to do with this strip is I'm going to wrap it around, in this case, a screwdriver, but I want it to be pretty tight, but not so tight that it won't fit around the wick on the inside of the atomizer. So I can already tell this is a little too tall. Only needs to be about a 1/4 inch, so I'm going to whack a little bit off the end of that. I'm going to end up with something like this. I'm going to take this, plop it right inside of there. Push it right around the wick inside of that thing, inside of the atomizer. Take my cap, push that on. There you can see a hole with a little bit of the tea bag sticking through. Drawing this one ended up being a little bit tight. Add less paper, wrap it less tight. Do whatever you want to get the proper draw on it. If you like a hard draw, like I used to, I'd use more. But you can adjust it like that. Now, I have a compact 510 with a tea bag wick inside of there, and let's see how it works. Personally, I think this is a much cleaner design. Here I have some Totally Wicked liquid. This is a mixture of Virginia, menthol, And of course, banana. Yeah, you might think it's gross, but it's good. Try it. Start with about 4 drops. Now, you know what? I'm going to swap this out with a charged battery for you guys for full effect here. Alright, hope this works. Worked good last time. Yep, it hits better. It's better looking. It's easier to fill. Don't have to mess with cartridges. You just drop a couple drips in the end, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Give it a try.